Namaste everyone. My Master Praveen. I welcome you all in the Praveen Yoga Academy. So let me give the one of the excited news that I'm going to be start once again the YTTC 500 hour. So this will be my the continuously the YTTC 7. ये मैं 7वीं YTTC में शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ and the date will be from the 6th of September. So this YTTC especially if someone doing the yoga for a long time, आप योगा करें बहुत लंबे समय से, you are a yoga practitioner or even you are a yoga teacher, आपने कुछ और जगह से भी आपने कोई qualification लिया, so this YTTC will be very beneficial for you. हम योगा की हमने practice तो की, we did the practice, we have the knowledge, we have the experience, but we do not know like how to teach, we do not like how to give our message to our student. तो ये जो YTTC है that is more focus on the technical part. You will be learn so many different aspect of the yoga, like some part of the philosophy, some part of the asana anatomy, some part of the asana alignment, some part of your teaching skills like teaching methodology, teacher qualities, how to build up the confidence, hesitation को कैसे निकालना है, how to design the classes and how to make the different class thing. तो you will be learn so many different things in this YTTC. अगर you have the dream to become a yoga teacher, to become an international certified yoga trainer, you want to become a professional yoga teacher, so this YTTC, this yoga teacher training is only for you guys. Another thing, this YTTC will be affiliated from the Yoga Alliance USA. As everyone knows, Yoga Alliance USA is one of the biggest organization in the world, जिसके अंदर more than 160 countries is affiliated in that. तो आप you want to be work nationally, you want to work domestic wise, you want to work country wise, you want to work on the international wise, so this certificate will be applicable everywhere guys. आप इसे अपना काम शुरू कर सकते हैं, you do offline, you do online, so you can use the certificate anywhere. And another thing that you are going to be connect with Praveen Yoga Academy, that you know that you already have the my so many update that I am also going to be expand my team. तो उसके अंदर भी once you have finished the training you can be part of my team also. So another things like this YTTC 500 training will be take somewhere about 3 months. 6 September से start होगा, तो September, October, November until end of November तक आपका YTTC 500 complete हो जाएगा. And any student if they already did the 200 hours, so they are welcome to join my 300 hours. Or if someone is the new, so my suggestion that you can be involved for the 500 hour, or someone just want to go for the short training, तो आप 200 hour भी training आप join कर सकते हैं. सारा जो डिटेल है I will be share the all the links about YTTC 500, 300, 200 under this video. आप उस link पर जाइए, you can be have the all the details. You can be book even that from that link. And we are also giving the some early bird price guys, and we are also giving the some another opportunity to all of you, because we know very well कि this academic time we are not able to pay the fees at a one time, तो आपको हम EMI की भी आपको हम इसके अंदर ऑप्शन आपको दे रहे हैं. तो once again just my message to all of you कि you are keen to become a yoga teacher, you want to be spread this art to anywhere in the world, so you are welcome to join this course. Thank you so much. Namaste, Hari Om, Om Shanti. And another thing, you want any other information, I am also sharing my academy phone number, WhatsApp number and email. You can be also directly keep in touch with us. So thank you so much once again. Namaste, Hari Om, Om Shanti. See you soon.